Do you want to play PUBG Mobile with a controller like this? It's perfectly possible. Well, in this video I'm going to explain to you how to play PUBG Mobile with a controller using the Mantis Gamepad Pro application. It's going to be an easy tutorial. I have more tutorials like this on my channel, also with the Pubg Gamepad Pro app. So if you like stuff like this, don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment if you have any questions, and leave a thanks if you like what we do. Let's get into it. Okay, let's dive into it. So the first thing we need to do is download the Mantis Pro Gamepad app. It's actually the Mantis Gamepad Pro app. Here we press on install. Once the application is installed, we open the application. We allow. Now, as you can see, if you pay $7.50, you have unlimited access to the Pro features, but you can play all your games with all your controls perfectly for free. I'm going to show you how, just stay tuned. Now, as you can see, we need to tap here to start the Mantis Buddy app, and there's no gamepad connected. So first we're going to connect our gamepad. We need to activate our Bluetooth. And then we start our gamepad. I already connected my gamepad via Bluetooth before. You connect your any gamepad via Bluetooth very easy, like any other accessory. And now it sees that it's a gamepad. New gamepad detected. It sees it's a PlayStation 1. You can also change to Nintendo or whatever gamepad you're using, but it's already detected. I have to calibrate manually. Start testing. When I press the buttons now, as you can see, they move on the screen, so they are working just fine. I'll press done, and that's okay. Now the next step is activating the application. Let's go. Now here it says enable floating widgets. We are going to enable that because there is going to be a little widget floating above your game when you play the game. And here we have to look for app Mantis Gamepad Pro. It's denied, and we're going to allow it. Voila. Now we have to enable developer options and allow screen overlays on settings. So this one also needs to be activated. Allow screen overlay on settings. Excuse me. This one. And standard, it's always activated. If it's activated, leave it activated. If not, press on it and activate it. And now we can go back to our Mantis Pro app and press enable. We already did that. Mark as done. Okay. Now we have to disable permission monitoring. Okay. Let's go to disable the monitoring. Here, disable permission monitoring. In my case, it's already on. You have to put that on. Then we can go back and write mark as done. Mark step as done. Then use wireless debugging. We already activated it in a step before, and now we're going to start pairing. When you press start pairing, this screen will pop up. You may not close it. I repeat, don't close it. Just put it above like this. And now we're going to scroll down to wireless debugging. I'm going to press on it. Then here you see pair device with pairing code. I'm going to press on that. And now you see a pairing code, and now it asks for this pairing code. So we're going to write down the pairing code 899416. Okay, and pair. Now it is pairing. As you can see, wireless debugging is connected. You get the message, Mantis Buddy is connected. Okay. We close this one. You're all set. Okay. Now, as you can see, now we're all set. The Mantis Buddy is connected, and one gamepad is connected too. and It is this PlayStation 5 controller we connected right now. You connect any controller which works with Bluetooth. And now we need to add a game. And now you can choose the games that you have on your phone. In our case, we're gonna add Pubg Mobile. And we're going to go back. And now you can see here Pubg Mobile. Now we're gonna press start. And now you can see you have credits left. You have 10 credits. To use also pro features, it means don't get any advertisement. Now after you lose the credits, after they're gone, you can buy credits. Not really credits, you just buy the 750 to play to have the pro version. But what I suggest, if you don't want to pay immediately or you just use it sometimes, just delete the app, reinstall it, and then you will have again 10 credits from the store. Okay, launch game. Okay, now we're launching the game. Let's see what it will give and how it will be. Here it's giving us a prompt to activate the virtual mouse. If you have a PlayStation 5 controller, you can use that too. As you can see, it moves here. I'm going to close that window for now. The game is going to start. We're going to the training grounds to set up our controls. So okay, now we're at the training grounds. As you see, the controller is not working yet. And here you can see a little green ball. That's actually the Mantis Gamepad Pro application. That's actually the Mantis Gamepad Pro application. We press on that. And there now you can see you get this screen. When you press on the plus here, it opens. We scroll to the left and now we can map our controller. For example, I'm gonna map the right stick. It's this one. You see, now it's already working like this. I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna take a left stick. I'm gonna make it smaller. And I'm gonna put it here. Make it a little bit smaller than this. Put it here. And then, for example, I'm going to use a key. You get a prompt, it's waiting for input, and I'm pressing the the R2 button. This is going to be my shooting button. Now you see R2 here, and we're gonna put it here. Another key, for example, the X to jump. X to jump. Use a circle. And a triangle to lay on the ground. And we're gonna use this button here to recharge our gun, our weapons. And for example, I'm gonna push in L3 and R3. Now L3 for the left weapon, R3 for the right weapon. And I'm gonna use a left stick. Also, that's an important one. Let's close this. The left stick is already here, okay. Voila, now when you close this, you close this here. And now as you can see, I can use my controller. I didn't put the aim button. Okay. Don't forget the aim button. We're gonna use L2 for the aim button. And this is going to come here. Okay, now we close the Mantis Gamepad Pro app widget, and now as you can see, I'm using my controller. You see? That's actually how easy it is. I can jump, I can crouch, I can lie down on the floor, I can change my weapons. You see? Look. So, this is how easy you can connect your controller to play your favorite games like Pubg Mobile on your smartphone. If you like videos like this, subscribe, give me a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, and leave us a like or thanks if you enjoy this kind of stuff. Thank you very much.